AI is not coming to the legal profession. It's already here. So the real question most lawyers are asking is this: what does this actually mean for me and my firm? Everywhere you look right now, there's a new headline about AI and the legal profession. Some say it's going to replace lawyers, and others say it's overhyped and irrelevant. So the real question most lawyers are asking is this: what does this actually mean for me and my firm? In this video, I want to cut through the noise and explain clearly and realistically how AI is already affecting lawyers today, what's actually changing, and what absolutely is not. I'm Ty Brown. I'm an attorney, entrepreneur, and a partner at Levantage AI Advisors. If you manage or own a small to mid-sized law firm and you're overwhelmed by the AI hype, maybe a little short on time or concerned about ethics and risk of using AI, but also worried about falling behind firms that are adopting it, well, this video is for you. And if you want help understanding how to use AI and automation to save your attorneys at least 2 hours a day without the confusion, wasted spend, or ethical missteps, you can visit levantage.ai to schedule a free consultation with us. The first thing to understand is this: AI is not coming to the legal profession. It's already here. And it's not replacing lawyers, it's changing how legal work gets done. Today, AI is already embedded in everyday legal workflows: research, drafting, document review, client intake, summarization. These are all being enhanced by AI tools right now. This isn't about automation just for automation's sake. It's about augmentation. AI helps lawyers work faster, catch more issues, reduce time spent on repetitive, low-value tasks, while the lawyer remains fully responsible for judgment, strategy, and outcomes. That's the key shift. AI supports legal work, it doesn't replace it. And most lawyers are asking the same two questions right now: what does this mean for my role? And what should I do next? Let's talk about how AI is actually being used today, not hypothetically. First, and I think most importantly, routine task automation. AI is helping with document review, contract analysis, summarization, and first pass drafting. Tasks that used to take hours can now be done in minutes with a lawyer supervising all the outputs. Second, legal research. Modern AI tools can surface relevant cases, issues, and insights much faster than traditional research alone. That doesn't eliminate legal reasoning, it just accelerates it. Third, limited predictive capabilities. Some tools analyze patterns in case data to help assess risk or likely outcomes. There are decision support tools, not crystal balls, at least not yet, and they do require a lot of cautious use and human oversight. But even at my firm, we've been able to use some AI tools to help us predict likely settlement values on our personal injury claims by aggregating data and running our predictive models through it. So this isn't just happening in big law, right? My firm is small. Small and mid-sized firms are adopting AI right now, often more successfully than large firms. It's because they're more nimble and faster. You can change your workflows quickly. So you don't need a massive budget to benefit. You need the right use cases and the right guidance. So what does all of this mean at the firm level? First, efficiency. AI reduces time spent on repetitive administrative work. That's humongous. How much of your day are you spending on administrative work, managing your inboxes, managing organization of files, right? We can automate so much of that with these AI tools. That means fewer errors as well. It means faster turnaround on your work product and less burnout. Second, business models are shifting. When work gets done faster and more consistently, firms can explore alternative fee structures and focus on these high-value strategic angles, things that we often just don't get to because we're too busy and bogged down with work that could be done by AI. Third, competitive pressure is real. Firms that adopt AI deliver work faster and often provide a better client experience. Clients are starting to expect that level of responsiveness, and so if you can't provide it, you're going to get passed up. Let's talk about ethics, because this is where a lot of firms get stuck. And it's probably the most fun discussion at every CLE that I've been to recently. AI does not eliminate ethical obligations, obviously. And in many ways, it is increasing the importance of these ethical obligations. So here are just a few kind of foundational elements of AI ethics. Human oversight is always required. Bias must be accounted for. Client information must be protected. And governance of your AI, the structures and guardrails you put around it, matter. But here's the truth. Risk is not a reason to avoid AI. It's a reason to adopt it thoughtfully. This brings us to a critical shift in what it means to be a modern lawyer. Lawyers do not need to become technologists. They do not need to code. They do need to understand what AI can do and what it can't do, and how to supervise it responsibly. Technology competence is increasingly part of professional responsibility. That doesn't mean you've got to master the software. It means being able to evaluate tools, set up those guardrails I mentioned, and maintain ethical control. At Levantage, we see this all the time. Successful AI adoption isn't a tech experiment. It's a workflow change. Training isn't about complexity. It's about confidence. Let's zoom out and bring this home. Here's what will change in the legal profession. Workflows, speed expectations, client demands, the role that junior lawyers are playing, from pure drafters to supervisors and strategists, and how value is delivered. Here's what won't change. Legal judgment, strategy, advocacy, ethics, and human trust in relationships. AI will not replace lawyers, but lawyers who adopt AI will absolutely outpace those who don't. Which crew do you want to be a part of? The future belongs to firms and lawyers that adapt intentionally, ethically, and with clarity. To wrap up, AI is not a threat to the legal profession. It's a tool. And like any tool, its impact depends on how you use it. With the right approach, this shift is not overwhelming. It's manageable and even empowering. If you want clarity on how AI fits into your firm, without the hype, without ethical guesswork, and without wasting money on tools no one uses, well, we're here to help. Visit Levantage.ai to schedule a free consultation, and we'll help you build the right AI strategy for your firm. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. If it was helpful, follow or subscribe for more practical insights on the future of legal practice. I'll see you in the next one.